It's a 2016 Audi A3. From the beautifully crafted exterior to the power and precision of the engine, this A3 is crafted to give you a luxury compact that makes a big impression. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, leather bucket seats, automatic transmission, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Road and Track points out, inside the A3 sedan's cabin lives up to every expectation you might have based on prior experience in modern Audis. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.